Huh? Why don't I have a spare wheel? No spare tire? What do I do if I get a flat tire? I hope Nicole knows.
Hey Daniel, what's going on? Are you doing some live reporting from your trunk right now?
Yeah, newsflash. This is just in. Nicole, my car has no spare wheel. Why is that? And what do I have to do if I get a flat tire?
So spare tires haven't been common for quite some time. They're heavy, they're cumbersome, they impact your mileage. And so people have actually been using that space for something else, like say a subwoofer.
And what do I have to do if I get a flat tire? Do I crank up my radio until the bass pushes my car forward?
I like that idea, but no, that's not how it's gonna work. You have a tire kit, so you can fix the tire internally so that you can drive it to the shop, and then there you're gonna get it fixed. It's actually faster and easier than changing the tire yourself on the side of the road.
How easy?
Very easy. So first, you have to stop your car. Then put your reflective vest on. Get the tire kit and the compressor from your trunk. If necessary, turn on your hazard lights and set up your warning triangle. Remove the valve cap from the wheel with the flat tire. Use the valve key provided with the kit to remove the valve. This will deflate the tire completely. Attach the small tube to the sealant bottle. Connect it to the valve and fill the tire with the sealant fluid. Install the new valve using the same valve key. Then, you connect the compressor to the 12-volt socket in your trunk. Turn on the ignition and pump air into the tire with the compressor. Now you can drive to the shop at a maximum speed of 80 kilometers an hour.
Well, sounds better than changing a wheel in the rain.
Exactly. It would be way more work, and you'd have to carry around a lot of heavy parts in your car. So, while you're in the trunk, actually, why don't you check to make sure your sealant's still good?
Will do. Thanks, Nicole.
I hope you never have to use this new knowledge. We'll talk to you later, Daniel. Bye.
Good until 2026. Perfect.
Volkswagen.